This message is from PH. I would like to inform you I am more than likely going to move all of my shaving needs to your business. The reason is, I was watching one of your videos of your attempts to destroy a shaving bowl. Hockey stick and baseball bat that could not destroy the bowl. What caught my attention and can increase your business is to give emphasis on your environmental controlled mini warehouse. This is what got my attention, seeing how some shaving products are sensitive to how they are stored. Buy a shaving cream, soap, or fragrance is no way for me from Amazon. Seeing how the product is likely stagnant and exposed to not favorable storage conditions. Can you do a video of a walk around your facility? I am sure it would get the attention of the hardcore shavers in a most favorable manner. Let's go. That's right.